Do you want to know how to change Gmail password? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. Gmail and Google account are both the same. You may want to change your Gmail password or Google account password for making your Gmail account more secure. It can be done from Gmail app or any web browser like Google Chrome, Safari, etc. from your mobile as well as PC, and I'm showing it from PC, but the steps are the same and Gmail password change process is very easy. Make sure that you connect it to the internet. You need to log in into a Gmail account. If you forgot your Gmail password and want to recover it, click on forgot password and follow the steps. So now when you're logged in into a Gmail account, click on your account logo on the upper right hand side corner. You get a list of your Gmail account. Click on the Gmail ID you want to change your password for. Then click on manage your Google account and go to a personal or security tab. Both the tabs give the option to change password of Gmail account. I'm clicking on personal tab, scroll down and click on password. Then it takes you to the next page where you can reset Gmail password. Make sure the new password is at least 8 characters, which should make it strong. Type your new password and retype it in a second text box. If you want to see what you type, click the eye icon over here, and when you're done, click on the change password. You get a confirmation password has been changed. Changing your Google account password will affect your entire Google accounts, which include Gmail, Google Drive, etc. and it will ask you to log in into a Gmail or Google account with the new password. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.